Hey Lighthouse for Life family. Today I'm going to tell you about my favorite event of our year, and that is our annual Light the Fight 5K that is coming up in just less than 3 weeks on March 2nd at Saluda Shoals. This is not just your typical 5K. This is an event that we want to be open to everybody. So it's not just for the runners that are competing for the medals. It's for the walkers, it's for the puppies, it's for the young kids, the strollers. It's just a chance to come out and have fun. To help with that, we have also made it a glow run. Part of this is because Lighthouse for Life is symbolic of pushing back the darkness of human trafficking by the light of Christ. But we want this event to be a fun way to invite you to help us push back darkness. So besides the course all being lit up with lots of fun light displays and glow tunnels and things, it's a chance for you to go get all your fun glow gear, such as glasses, bracelets, maybe even a scrunchie for you or for your pet, a funky noise maker that lights up and you can do cool things with, shoelaces, hat, you name it, there are options out there for you. And don't worry, if you forget, we'll have some sticks that we're passing out there, as well as an opportunity for some glow-in-the-dark face paint and tattoos, and just lots of fun for the whole family. The cost of this event is only $35. $35 might be like an evening out for your family. But if we get our goal of at least 500 registrants for this event, we are able to provide services for a survivor for over a year and a half, just from this one night. One night for you, and yet a lifetime changer for her. We hope that you'll join us for this evening. Not only that, but this event is helping us to accomplish two big goals at Lighthouse for Life this year. We want to open both the Harbor, our drop-in center, as well as Kara's Home, our safe home for female victims of sex trafficking between the ages of 12 through 21. And we believe we can do it with your help. This is not just an event for us though, it's an event for you. It's a chance for you to meet your exercise goals, and what a fun way to do it. It's also a chance for you to invest in your family. Do you know that investing in them is the #1 way that you can help prevent them from becoming victims of trafficking? Just spending time with them, and what a great outlet to do that. In fact, why don't you go ahead and bring some of the kids in the neighborhood or friends that don't have other people investing in them, and extend it to them too. SLED last year identified over 460 minors in our state that they suspected were victims of sex trafficking, and we don't want your family to become part of those statistics. And lastly, this 5K is not just about the run or walk. It's an educational opportunity for you to understand the realities of human trafficking in your own backyard. Separate from the run, we have a walkthrough exhibit where it can take you through the journey of a victim turned thriver and some of the touch points in her life, such as the trafficker, the purchaser, the law enforcement, the family member, and her own friends throughout her story, as well as give you a companion booklet full of resources that you can take home to help you be able to protect those you love. So use this opportunity to come have fun, push back the darkness with us, and educate your family and your loved ones about the reality of sex trafficking. Sounds like a win-win to me. Hope to see you there.